guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. It's your girl Amber and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I do a high puff with edges. And in this video, I'll be using some products from Touchdown Haircare. SM Beauty reached out to me and sent me some of their Touchdown Haircare products. So I opened the box, but I actually didn't open the products yet. So let's unbox it together. So here it is. The first thing that they sent me was a Miracle Gro Hair Oil. It has CBD, it regrows, strengthens, and repairs your hair, and it's triple strength. This is how it looks. It has a lot of oils in it. So it has castor oil, which you know is good, coconut oil, lavender oil, jojoba oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, a lot of stuff in it. The next thing that they sent me was edge controls. They sent me 3. So it's CBD and 24 karat Gold Edge Gro for all hair types. So they sent me 3 scents: peach, lemon, and cherry mango. If you guys just see, it has like gold sparkles in it. Like it's the packaging for me. Okay. The last thing that they sent, which I really like, is this edge scarf. It's silky satin, so that's good. So like when you do your edges, you tie it down so it can hold. And yeah, it even has their brand name on here. It's cute. It says Touchdown. All the products that I just showed you is available at your local beauty supply store. For more information about Touchdown Haircare, check the description box below. I'll be linking their Instagram handle and all the products that I used. So let's get started with the hairstyle. Okay, so the first thing is to take down my hair. So as you guys can see, I was already wearing my hair in a bun as well as high puffs already. So it's kind of already up. Okay, so before I go ahead and do the puff, I'm going to oil my scalp. So it says shake well, apply evenly throughout entire scalp and targeted hair loss areas. Rub in with your fingertips or comb through. Gradually increase amount applied and frequency depending on results. Best to apply in the morning and evening. Apply 3 to 5 times per week. So what I also like about this packaging is it's a twist. So you just twist it and then you just squeeze. So it's really easy to apply. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just go along my edges. Ooh, yeah, it smells good, y'all. It smells like peppermint, so that's a good thing. Okay, and then I'm just going to split it down the middle. Well, if I can. And then I'm just gonna apply some in the middle of my hair. I'm also gonna take some and put it in the back. Yeah, it smells really good. And I also like how it's not too thick. It's a perfect consistency. Okay, so now it's time to try out one of the edge controls. I don't know which scent I want to open. I'm gonna go with peach. So I'm just gonna take off the plastic. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Like you can see there's like a gold shimmer to it. Ooh, okay. This smells good. Yeah. This smells good. So the first thing that I do for my high puff is spray some water. So I'm just gonna spray some water. Oh my gosh, y'all, like my forehead looks so big. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take some. Okay, I like the consistency already. It's a decent, like, thick consistency. It's not thin or anything. And then I'm just applying it to the front of my hair. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit more and apply it to the back. This edge control smells immaculate. I'm not over exaggerating, literally. Okay, so now you're just gonna take a bristle brush and brush upwards because I'm doing a high puff. Okay, now that everything is brushed, just want to gather all the hair. This is the hardest part, y'all. So I would advise getting a scrunchie like this that doesn't break and it's like really stretchy. Okay, so you're gonna put it over once. And I do it 3 times because I need it to look sleek, but I don't want it too tight. Okay, so that's the second time. I'm just making sure all the hair is through. Okay, so now that I have the ponytail in and it's giving very much sleek, as you guys can see, I'm gonna go with my brush again to make sure I get all the flyaways. So I do my puff last, so I'm going to do my edges. So I'm just gonna take an edge brush and spray it with some water. And I like to dip my brush in the actual edge control. Okay, so I'm gonna come close so you guys can see. Y'all can see. For some reason, I've been liking just one swoop. I just like to keep it simple. I'm liking this, y'all. It smells really good. It's an edge tamer and it regrows your edges. That's the best part about it. Okay, now I'm gonna take their edge scarf. I don't want to mess this up, y'all. Like, it's so pretty. Okay, one thing about this edge scarf is I like how it's long enough to go around to the front because I like to tie my scarves to the front. I feel like it gives the best hold when you can wrap it back around. So while that is tied down, I'm going to show you guys how I do my puff. So you're gonna need another scrunchie and you're just going to do it a little bit above from where the first one is, a little bit above it. Okay, and then you just wanna set your hair how you want it. I usually like to do a part in the middle so I don't have hair in my face, but it's really up to you. And then I'm just gonna spray some water to make it fall better. And I always apply some oil to give it some sheen and some moisture. So I'm going to use the same oil that they sent me and just put a little bit in my hand and rub it together. And I'm literally just going to scrunch it. And then just fluff it back out. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to reveal the edges. So let me just come closer. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Y'all see it? It's not going. It's moving a little bit, but it's still giving very much hold, okay? That is the end of my high puff tutorial. If you like this hairstyle, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. Bye, y'all.